Okay, it's Sunday. Here's Charlie making his dog angels in the snow. And Penelope. What's up, Char? He's getting pretty good at these. Yeah. Okay, so give you a little more perspective. So paths have been cleared out. That's down the corridor. Just trying to see if you can get a little perception of the depth. So this is where the the drifts were. It's a bright sunny day today. Charlie, what do you think? What do you think? I know you need to go. Really. Nope, just snow angels. Just snow angels. He really does like those. He's found a new trick, I guess. Or I should say a trick. He is definitely a one-trick dog. All right, well, what do you think? Are we done here? Oh, okay, Penelope. Penelope. Hold on, I gotta get a close-up on this. Hi, Pen. Come here, let me see. Okay, we're now in the fight of our life because Charlie, man, this dog is fast. He seriously just got away and was gonna go down that path. And we can't have that because he's not an off-leash dog. That's not a good shot. Okay, we're going now. Bye-bye. Well, hi, Ben. Hold on. Hold on. She's that's kind of hilarious.